Ideas is a new tab in the analysis section. It was created to make a keyword collection process fast and easy for you. All the keywords are divided into categories by parameters like search volume, tail length, app ranking. Over 10 groups overall. Let's take a look at each one. So welcome keywords list contains keywords pulled up automatically by the system based on app semantics to get you started. Right next to it, you will see the same group but for the selected competitors. Metadata keywords are the list of indexed keywords from the app's text elements. Non-indexed keywords list will show you all the keywords your competitors rank for, but your app doesn't. Definitely something you want to look into. The four lists below will make it easy for you to know which exact keywords lead you to the top 5, top 6 through 10, etc. positions. Below, we have divided keywords according to their popularity based on search volume, as well as the number of words in a keyword. As you can see, there are more ideas coming your way, including search ads recommendations and a brand new metric, difficulty. A keyword can be included in several categories at once. For example, it can be short tail, high search volume, and lead your app to top 5 positions. With 360 analysis of a keyword like that, it is easier than ever to select the most relevant keywords. Also, you can use this section to localize your app for a new market. Choose a country and use the translator. This way you know what the keywords mean, so you can select the relevant ones. Stay tuned!